Hey friends, it's Sarah. I am going to show you 3 different ways to make a heart. These are crocheted hearts. I start with my magic ring, my magic circle, and then I'm going to have 3 different sizes. So a small, a medium, and a large. So we're going to start with the small. I'm going to start with a magic circle. And if you don't know how to do that, I have a video tutorial for you. I will link it down below. All right, so what I'm going to do in my magic circle is I'm going to chain 1, okay? Then I'm going to do 3 half double crochets, and a half double crochet is yarn over, through the magic circle, grab, pull up, yarn over, and pull through 3. So there's 1. I'm going to do that again. So yarn over, through the magic circle, grab the yarn over, pull through 3. And the last one, I'm going to do it again. I'm going to yarn over, through the circle, grab the yarn, lift up, yarn over, and pull through 3. Okay, so there's 3 half double crochets. Now we're going to go into 3 single crochets. So I'm just going to go straight into the magic circle. So there's 1, okay, and again, grab, pull through, 2, and again, grab, 3. All right, so I am going to now chain 1. So I just yarn over, pull through. Now this next one is 1 half double crochet. So that's yarn over, through the magic circle, grab the yarn, pull up, yarn over, through all 3. So there's 1. And then we're going to chain again. So again, yarn over, pull through, and there's our chain. Now we're going to do 3 single crochets again. So through the magic circle, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, under the circle, grab the yarn, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2. And 1 more through the circle, grab the yarn over, pull through 2. So there are 3 single crochets. Now we need to get our 3 half double crochets. So again, yarn over, through the hole, grab it, yarn over, through 3. Around, through the hole, grab it, yarn over, pull through 3. And 1 more, yarn over, through the hole, grab it, yarn over, pull through 3. Okay. And then at the end, we are going to chain 1. And then this is the fun part where we are going to pull that ring closed. But before we do that, we are going to actually slip stitch into the magic ring here. So I'm going to yarn over, so I'm going to go through, grab the yarn, and this time, instead of yarning over and pulling through, I'm just going to continue to pull that through, and that's a slip stitch, okay? And now, I'm going to pull the tail. So we have our slip stitch, and then I'm going to just grab that tail and create that little heart. Now I'm going to keep pulling that tail until I like the way that that heart looks, and then you can snip off this tail here. Okay, and then we are just going to snip off that tail that's attached to our working yarn. So that pulls out. Okay, so now we have this cute little heart. You can do whatever you want with it. You can add it to a little amigurumi. I use these on my positive potato. So that pattern will be linked down below. It comes with a really cute printable, and it includes all 3 of these hearts written down for you. And these would make great bookmarks as well. All right, so that was the small one. All right, let's go into the medium heart. So again, we're going to start with our magic circle or magic ring. This time, I'm going to chain 2. So chain 1, chain 2. Then I'm going to double crochet 3 times. So yarn over, through the magic ring, grab the yarn, pull through, okay, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's our first double crochet. I'm going to repeat. So yarn over, through the ring, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. Okay, so there's 2. And yarn over, pull through, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. Okay, so that is our first 3 double crochets. Now we're going to do 3 half double crochets. So yarn over, through the loop, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. I'm going to repeat that. Pull through 3. And again, over, through, over, all 3. Now we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to double crochet. So that is yarn over, through the loop, grab up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay. We're going to chain 1 again. Boop. And remember, a chain again is just grabbing the yarn and coming through the loop once. Now I'm going to repeat what I did before in reverse. So yarn over, so it's a half double. So yarn over, pull through, lift up, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, push through, pull up through 3, and 1 more, yarn over through the loop, lift up, go through 3. Okay, and then we go into our double crochet. So yarn over, through the loop, grab. This time, remember, we're only going through 2, then we're yarning over and going through 2. Okay. Again, through the ring, grab our yarn, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and we do that 1 more time. Yarn over, through the ring, grab up, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay. At this point, you are now going to chain 2, 1, 2, and we are going to slip stitch into that magic circle. So again, I'm going through the ring, grabbing my yarn, but instead of yarning over and going through, I'm just going to pull right through. And now I have my slip stitch. And then the fun part is pulling your heart into place. Snip off that end, fasten it off by pulling out. And now we have our medium heart. So it's a little bit bigger than our small heart. So you can see it's gone up in size. All right, the final one is our large heart. We're going to start with our magic circle. I'm going to chain 3 this time. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do triple crochets into this one. And okay, so I'm going to yarn over, okay, through the magic ring, grab some yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to do that 2 more times. Yarn over, through the ring, grab, yarn over 1, or pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And one more time. 1, 2, through the ring, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so there's our 3 triples. Now we're going to go into our 3 doubles. So doubles, you just wrap once, through the ring, grab, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, wrap once, through the ring, grab 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay. And then last one, around, through, grab, 1, and through 2. Okay. Now we're going to just chain 1, and then we're going to triple crochet 1, 2, through the ring, grab the yarn, and then I'm yarning over, through 2, yarning over, through 2, and yarn over, through 2. Again, we're going to chain 1, and then we are going to go into the reverse. So 3 double crochet. So yarn over 1, through the ring, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So there's 1. Again, through 2, through 2, and 1 more double. So around, through, grab, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, and that was 3 double crochets. Now we're going to go into our final 3 triple crochets. So it is yarn over 1, yarn over 2, through, grab, through 2, grab, through 2, and grab, through 2. Again, 1, 2, into the ring, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, through 2, and pull through 2. That's 2. Yarn over, last one, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, and then our final part of this is going to be chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to slip stitch into our magic circle. So I'm going to go through the circle, grab some yarn. Instead of yarning over and pulling through, I'm going to just keep going through the loop. Okay, and that creates our slip stitch so we can fasten it off and snip it off. I can pull that through, and now we're going to pull out our thread here, yarn here. All right, so now we have our large crochet heart. So in my my positive potato pattern, I have all 3 of these written out. That way, if your potato that you make in that pattern is a different size, you now have different sizes of hearts that you can choose from. These can be a great starter for, you know, a granny square with a heart in the center. And of course, if you were to use plush yarn, they would be a lot bigger, depending on the size of your yarn and your hook. So there you go. If you found this video helpful, make sure you comment down below. Ask any questions if you need to. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, follow me on Instagram and TikTok for those quick crochet tips as well as behind the scenes fun. Until next time, happy crocheting!